Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back. Today I want to offer you a very interesting strategy that Quotex will definitely hate, because I found it and I really impressed in terms of this very combination, friends. Let's work with it. So if you are the first one here, you should definitely try it. Okay, so if you are the beginners, let's go. The Bollinger Bands are here, set for the 10 candlesticks, and the period is for 2. I mean, the deviation is for 2 and the period for 10. Okay, fine. Then we will go on working with the parabolic SAR, and the parabolic SAR is here with these dimensions. Acceleration is for 0.22 and the max acceleration for 0.22. No, we will go with 2.22. Okay, this dimension will work for us. That's it, friends. I think everything here is pretty good. As for MACD, I've chosen here those combinations 10.25 and signal period will be for 10. Fine. Also, there is a RCI. The RCI is going on pretty well with those kind of dimensions, friends. If you are new, so please repeat after me, okay? And we will try working with it. So in this case, you see we are going on slightly higher, and the Bollinger Bands are showing us the outer lines, which are going a bit wider. Friends, I will go here and I'm not starting with 127, and that's my new brand sum in my account, okay? That I earned before I decided to work with you today. So I'm going to work here with then 100, because in this case the more you invest, the more risk you get also, and the more money you will also get, right? So in this point of view, I see it clearly that the force of the MACD is showing us the clear bar of reds, and you can zoom this out. So I think you'll definitely love it, and you see, you just have to find some cases on your chart, the cases which look pretty alike. So in this type of story, I will go with the up option, and let's go. My dear friends, that is great case. You see the buyers are trying still so hard, but it's quite obvious time for the reject of the prices, and they're happening right now, and you see it clearly. We just entered the right way. Amazing. And I should definitely say that it's not even the end. We will see it clearly the next time, but we should try to have the experience in our second currency ratio. Let's work with it, and United States dollar and the Egyptian pound. What's here? I see that there is some quantity of signals. We are going to work with the bulls, and they're pushing up the limits, friends, and also the MACD is showing us the intersection right over here, and I see definitely clear signals. I will definitely find some more signals according to this very doji and the red candlestick right over here, friends. And the next doji. So I will go here with $200 in my investment. What else? Tell me. I should put here put option, and I'll do it right now. Let's go. Great situation, my friends. Amazing. You see it, right? That along with the MACD, it is showing us the growing up bars. They're green colored, and I am sure that the situation will be repeated. The situation No, I mean it will continue, friends. But by the way, you see the previous dojo showed us that it's going to be in some cases the rejected prices, friends, but it wouldn't happen for so long. Let's go to the next currency ratio, United States and Indian rupee, and the market here is going along in the corridor of Bollinger Bands, but it happens interestingly, friends, because you see there are many waves consisted of short candlesticks of one color. For example, five are here moving on up and then back. We are having 3 candlesticks of red color. Friends, let's configure the whole chart, okay, and see that there is the interesting pool here, right? 1 second, and right up here the pool of Bollinger Bands, right? Still you see that the prices are growing inside the Bollingers and they're moving on inside the Bollingers. And what else, my friends? I'm definitely without doubt to go into my investment, and I will work here with 350, and I'm definitely trying to confirm the next situation with the reds. Let's go. Wow, almost a flash situation that we've deal with, friends. You see, it was an interesting case, right? And the situation was not moving for a long time, and we've just entered with some expectation, but they're not happened the way I really wanted. And I mean, I definitely wanted the prices to go a bit stronger, but yet I had my predictions really well, and you see I'm having another win, so I'm really lucky, and it feels amazing. Let's go to the first currency ratio, and let's work with the United States of dollars, so to the Algerian dinar. So we will try to find some interesting cases, and also right over here you can see the force of the quotations is not shown clearly in terms of the MACD, okay? I mean this very part of candlesticks, and let's see what it is. Let's zoom this in and let's configure the whole view by zooming in. And by having the local situation, friends, the RCI is not showing well the clear situation, but MACD is also not surely showing the view, not so great in showing well this situation. Maybe the green bars are going a bit stronger, but I'm not sure, and I think I will go to the next currency ratio better and find some interesting purposes here. Okay, right here the United States dollar and Egyptian pound showing us not so pretty movable situation, but it happens much clearer, you know. I mean, those very bars are showing us the position for the reds, and still I see that the green line here is prevailing one, and I should stay here and I should change the investment up to $650. What do you say? You see the situation here is really good. I mean, I will earn 90% of profit here, and I think we should try in this case the down option. Let's go. Good, friends, I saw a good entry point in this case, and you see we were not moving much faster, but we are having here the great position of the quotations, friends. They are going higher but without any great impulses. That's good. So in this case, all you have to do is working and minding that there is no any great speed, okay? Oh, and in this situation you see where the weakness of the new intersection right over here. So I think we will come back to this kind of story and we will see what it is, or will they happen in here? There. Let's go to the third currency and let's work with the United States dollar and the rupee. So the profit is here 84%. Friends, I'm pretty lucky, and this story is showing us the flat situation in terms of the quantity of the candlesticks, and last candlesticks are pretty immovable. So immovable dot, we are having some dodges right over here, and but guys, the MACD is showing the prevailing situation over here, like for the greens, but also it's not. So it's not feeling as much as we want. By the way, I think we should try a little, because this case I see that there are some cases according to parabolic ACR and the points are here. I still will try to have some income of 1100 is here in my investment box, and still I think I have some seconds before the reversal of prices would be shown here. Okay, let's go. Hey, so impressive entry point. You know, it was a good challenge, friends. You see, the RCI was not showing as much for some period, but by now we are having the stronger growth of of quotations, and you can see it was so interesting kind of deal with this situation, friends, and it shows it is showing us the growing of wider outer lines. And you see it's still happening right over here, right? But I think it's quite time for us to see what is going on in our first currency ratio, the United States dollar against the Algerian dinar, friends. So what it is? The situation here is also pretty interestingly shown on the chart. MACD is here and hardly had the crossing lines here. Hardly had the cross of the lines here happened, friends, and now you see this situation here is shown with the force of the reds. By the way, the new growing up candlestick is for the greens. It is here the prevailing one. Okay, so the RCI is still not telling much for us, so I think it's quite an impressive kind of combination, and I'm sure you will like it if you get some practice, friends. So I think that this is the very case for us to go on with the greens, and I will wait for a little before the next cube here is going to be shown. Okay, and I think I'll think about my investment. Decided to work with the 2000 right over here, and you see the situation is pretty unclear still, and I would mind this very dodgy, yeah. And also I should rely on some cases along the MACD. The MACD here is one of the most perfect and reliable helpers. So I think I still have some seconds to try on with the greens, and let's go. So this is great, this is amazing, and you see the market confirmed the predictions, friends. We went along right, you know, and you see I've risked a little. By the way, I'm seeing here the greater combination, greater quantity of the green MACD bars here. I think we should go and find some interesting cases in the second currency ratio, the United States dollar and Egyptian pound. Okay, the situation here is not so clear in terms of the greater growth of the candlesticks, but I should say that it's that point when it should be considered as a great challenge. Yes, so I think I will go first of all to my investment and change it till 3,000 friends. Oh no, 3,500 will be free. 3,000 is enough, limited here. Okay, so okay, I will work with 3,000, and well, my friends, I think that now I have my spare time to go on with the reds. Let's go. Yeah, great friends, amazing. With this trade you just made 5,700 and now we have an almost $6,600. That's the great case, amazing. And I think the next one case would be then the last one. Okay, so you see it was the interesting position for us to go on with then concern this very long green candlestick. And then it surely was the decision for going on with the reds. We were there rightly choosing the way, right? We were really right in this case, but we have to let it go and let's work with the next one. Yes, friends, United States dollar and the Indian rupees. So in this very story, I think that the next case will be pretty interesting in terms of the MACD indicator. The MACD is showing us the prevailing situation for the greens with the green line here, but at the same time we have the cubes of red color. Yeah, and the RCI is not showing us more clearly the future types of stories. So I think in this very case I will work with 6,000 friends, 6,000. And well, I see that this kind of story is showing us the renewable growth of the greens, and I just think that would be a really interesting risk after the very middle line. And you, my friends, you just have to watch me out on how I'm working with it, please. So the situation is not moving faster, but I think I will work with 6,000 two times. Yeah. Yes, you see, this is the crazy result, friends. We got that rollback down, and this amazing according to this very points of the parabolic SAR that showed us the growth down of the quotations, friends. We are having here 11,000. Oh my god, I hope that you will like it, and so watch it, have your experience, practice it, friends. And so until the next time, thanks a lot for watching. And if you need my support or if you want to know more about my strategies, copy them and